Okay, so here's the ECE476 homework 4 game, Lights Out. If you were to imagine all 8 of these boxes being in a row, each box toggles the box on either side, where obviously the first one doesn't have anything on the left and the last one doesn't have anything on the right. So you can see that here. Oh, so actually I could win the game right now, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'll show you the win screen and then I'll go back and confirm all the other ones. But I had a winning screen and a game counter, so I've already tapped through this one a bunch of times. I made a previous video, but the camera fell over. So I had a taps counter up here in the top right. If it wants to focus at all, it probably won't. But the taps right now are at 30. So that's each time you tap and toggle something. So like if I do this one down here, 31, 32. And the game is what game you're currently on. So I added so that when you beat the game, you get a little winner screen. You have a countdown up here. It's kind of blurry, but it's counting down. New game in 5 seconds. How many taps it took to 1, and then what game you're on. So once that countdown finishes, it resets, and every time it randomizes the board. So if I was to try and win one again, which I'm honestly really bad at this game, because of that. Oh, I actually got one. So if I was to win one then, now you see it goes to game 2. If it was to focus a little bit better. You're just getting a reflection of the camera right now, but see again here, it randomizes again. So different layout each time you start the game, which honestly kind of determines how difficult it is until I can figure out, the ideal pattern to beating this. But it also resets the taps counter down to 0. Game stays labeled over here, but everything works. So that toggles those 2, this toggles 3, this toggles 3, this one toggles 3, 3, 3, 3. So they're all toggling correctly. I did also add just a little cheat, complete the game box up in the top left right here, that nobody knows about until they watch this video, just to make it easier to work on this screen. But I did have an issue that I have not been able to fix yet, where when a new game, or when a game is won by the cheat box, it automatically wins the next game. Or it doesn't. It usually does. Not sure what was causing it, but it does that most of the time. And I was also hoping to add a screen to give you a little confetti fall down when a game is won right here instead of just the black background. I'm still kind of working on that, but I ran out of time for the submission, so I got to submit this, and maybe I'll get back to that later.